Why you should be putting okra in your hair. Have you ever heard about okra honey? Okra honey will nourish and restore your hair, making it longer, softer, and alive. To make it, we need 3 ingredients: sugar, cloves, and okra. Okra is rich in polysaccharides, which have vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, B, C, E, and K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. With all these nutrients, okra acts as a natural hair conditioner. In this hydration, sugar plays the role of an exfoliator, removing the layers of impurity from the scalp. This step allows the okra to act more efficiently. Clove has a high astringent power that deeply cleanses the hair, stimulating its volume and length. Watch the video and learn how to make this recipe. How to use: take the usual amount of your favorite hair mask and add a tablespoon of the okra honey. Mix well. With your hair already washed and clean, apply the mixture and let it act for 20 minutes. Wash your hair as always, put on conditioner, and style with your preferred method. So, what do you think of this recipe? Use okra honey once a week and see your hair become more nourished, hydrated, shiny, and malleable. If you love it, subscribe my channel and share.